So, guys, this is me signing out from the fundamentals of Astra earnings. All right. So, I want to thank everybody for taking out their time to take this course. Time is something I value very well, and I believe that those who took this course, they are taking the course because they actually want to make a change in their life. Right. So, I want to encourage you to take everything that you've learned on this course serious and implement all of them. And I guarantee you that before 2 weeks and at most 1 month, you should make your first withdrawal from Astera. Okay. The videos are YouTube videos. So if you have any challenge on any of the videos and you want a helping hand, you can always hit me up through my WhatsApp number that is in the description, or and always drop a comment in the YouTube comment section, and I guarantee you that I am going to give you an answer to it. Furthermore, you can still join our Astra community on WhatsApp through the link that is in the description of this video, and you can get to communicate with people and be up to speed to what they are doing and the trends and the new things, because from time to time I'll be revealing some secrets, some new findings, and some new experiments that I'll be doing on Astra. All right. Also on my channel, on my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe because I'll be dropping tutorials. I promised. I realized that in the videos I made some promises that I'm still going to be giving out some free videos and tutorials and images and ebooks and the rest of them on my channel. So make sure you subscribe and you keep a tab on me. On this channel, I think the next project I will do is to teach you how to drive massive traffic from Facebook just for free. Right? You don't have to pay Facebook. You just do your thing and you get massive traffic legitimately. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, don't waste this knowledge. You can invite people and make sure you practice. I'm rooting for your success. Thank you for taking this course.